In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. Now, let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix website. Make sure you're logged into your Wix account where your websites are hosted. Once you're there, locate and go to the specific website that you wish to download the files from. Next, when you're on your site's main page, use your mouse and right-click anywhere on the screen. You'll see a variety of options appear in a drop-down menu. What you're looking for is the option labeled Save As. This option is crucial because it allows you to save the contents of your web page locally to your computer. After selecting Save As, a File Explorer window should pop up. You'll need to choose the directory where you want to save these downloaded files. It could be a project folder you've dedicated for this particular website, or simply your desktop for quick access. Carefully navigate to the desired location within your File Explorer. Once you're satisfied with the location, you can go ahead and click the Save button. Once you've clicked Save, your computer will begin downloading the files from the Wix site. Depending on your internet connection and the size of the website, this process may take a little time, so it's important to wait patiently as the download is completed. Usually, you'll see a progress bar or some sort of indicator letting you know that the download is underway, so keep an eye on that. And just like that, you've successfully downloaded your Wix website files. Remember, the key steps were to navigate to your website, initiate the right click to select Save As, choose your destination folder, and save your files. Patience is key here, especially if your website is content-rich, as it might take a bit longer to download all the elements. This method is helpful for having an offline copy or for backup purposes, especially if you're considering changes and want to ensure you have a current version saved. It's worth noting, though, that while you can save files like images and text, some of Wix's dynamic features might not work offline, as they'll require server-side processing that's not possible with a simple download. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download Wix website files. I hope these steps have been clear and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to leave a comment below. Happy saving, and until next time, take care and see you in the next video.